Hey everyone, I'm going to try to get one more no-name rim cylinder in real quick. I could rake this really quickly just to make the video a little shorter, but I'm trying to learn at the same time. I'm used to padlocks. I don't have a lot of rim cylinders or deadbolts like this that I play with. The pin spacing and depths are different, so I'm trying to get used to that. So I'm going to go with trying to single pin pick it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure. Maybe I should be using a deeper hook. There we go. A little crunchy. I don't quite have the feel for it. I mean, it's an easy pick, but I just don't really have the feel for it yet. So this one, we have the little spring-loaded pin here in the back that we have to hold down to get the end off. And I don't have a key for this one, so I'm going to try not to lock it back up, otherwise there will be no gutting. Let's see, how do I... do this without rotating the core. And I need glasses, I can't even see this pin. There we go. Okay, well, it's upside down, that's not too bad. That can be handled like this. You know what, let's go ahead and turn it upside down. I hope everybody can see this okay too. Follow along my struggle in pressing this pin down. Stay. I really don't want to do this for each and every. Let's try something different. Okay, retainer's off, clips off, that pin's out, there's a spring in there which is now out. Okay, now we can flip this back around the other way. Because of the threading back here, those pins will definitely catch on that, so I'm gonna put a shim in. How about I not turn the plug quite that much though? Right about there should be good. I think that's a good size. Uh-oh. That was just a little bit too big. might not work. This is dangerously small. I don't like that, but I already did it, so yeah. Maybe it would work without the shim a little better, but well, it is what it is. Okay. So now we have pin 1. Pin 2. That's pin 3. Pin 4. And pin 5. And that's the empty core. And this will be interesting to get back together. Pin 1 is a standard driver pin. Pin 2 is a standard driver pin. Pin 3 is a standard driver pin. Oh, and our first disaster. That was 5. And that was 4. Not that it matters. All the drivers are the same anyway. But there we have it. That is an unknown rear cylinder, SPP'd and gutted. And there's a slightly close-up look at them. Everything's all standard. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.